Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. I am here to be today to let know about what will be happened after death. From the book, Dealing with Life's Issues, Working with Anger. A Buddhist Perspective, by Van Thutton Chodron. Let know about what happened after death. 1. If it is possible, allow the body to be untouched for 3 days after breathing has stopped in order to give time for the consciousness to leave the body. This usually needs to be pre-arranged with the hospital or family. Do not touch the body during this time. If the body starts to smell or if you see fluid oozing from the nostrils, it indicates that the consciousness has left and the body may be moved even before 3 days have transpired. If it is not possible to leave the body untouched for that long, then leave it untouched for as long as possible. 2. After the person has died, touch his or her crown top of the head when you first touch the body, and say, "Go to Paland," or "Take a precious human rebirth," or, according to the person's faith, say, "Go to heaven," or "Go to a safe place." 3. Dedicate merit for the person to have a precious human rebirth. May you have all conductive circumstances to practice the path to enlightenment. Pray that the deceased's transition to the next life is free from fear or anxiety. Express in words or in your thoughts all the good wishes you have for the deceased. If you wish, recite the extraordinary aspiration of the practice of Samantabhadra for the person. You could also do the medicine Buddha practice. Since family and friends have a strong connection with the person, their doing meditation and dedications for the person is important. If you can do these on the 7th, 14th, 21th, 28th, 35th, 42th, and 49th days after the person's death, it is especially good. Note, the day the person dies counts as day 1, so if she dies on Monday, the 7th, 14th, and so on days will be on Sundays. Thank you for listening. More videos like this, share and subscribe our channel.